break a lot of bones by just falling. And so anything you can do to help with balance can help as well. So we like what are called non-impact balance exercises. Only one, though, has actually been shown to prevent falls, and it's Tai Chi.
Meet Stan. He's 73, and for a long time, a deep-seated fear of falling had stolen his joy. His world had become small, confined by what he felt he couldn't do anymore. But Stan found his footing again and his confidence through the gentle power of Tai Chi.
I have a problem called peripheral neuropathy, where the nerves of my feet don't give me all the information I should have as to where I'm standing, sort of thing. I went to a therapy class at the hospital. They recommended as a follow-up that I come to this Tai Chi class because I need to continue to do exercises that help me to maintain my balance and compensate for the nerves in my feet are not working as good as they should. But I'm going to give it a good try. Well, it turns out I'm the only guy here, so I hope I can hang in there. I don't want to leave all these ladies by themselves.
Tai Chi isn't just an exercise, it's a ritual. And today, I'm going to share this simple practice that helped Stan trade that persistent fear for a newfound freedom. We will explain the benefits of Tai Chi across 5 different sections. Section 1. The gentle path to stability. Number 2. Preparing for your practice. Number 3. The warm-up method. Number 4. The core movements. And number 5. The cool-down technique. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments your age and where you're watching from. And here's a question for you. What is one activity, like Stan's love for gardening, that you would love to do again without fear? Let's take that first gentle step together. Number 1. The gentle path to stability. Before we begin, it's important to understand the power behind what we're about to do. This isn't just slow-motion exercise. It's a practice backed by science for a stronger, more confident you. For many of us, just like it was for Stan, the biggest fear is a fall. This fear can shrink your world, causing you to say no to walks, gardening, or playing with your grandkids. But numerous studies show that Tai Chi is one of the most effective ways to reduce the risk of falls. It works by improving proprioception, your body's internal GPS, retraining your brain and body to work together in harmony. We strengthen the tiny, stabilizing muscles in our legs and core that are crucial for keeping us steady. The benefits don't stop there. Tai Chi is a powerful tool for managing chronic pain from conditions like knee osteoarthritis. A study funded by the National Institutes of Health found that Tai Chi can significantly reduce pain and improve physical function for those with knee osteoarthritis. And while the movements are gentle, they provide an effective workout that can help regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. Today, we'll focus on the Yang style, known for its relaxed postures and flowing movements, which is particularly effective for improving balance. Number 2. Preparing for your practice. All right, let's get ready. First, find a comfortable space, just enough room to extend your arms freely. Wear loose, comfy clothes and either go barefoot on a soft surface or wear flat-soled shoes. Most importantly, have a sturdy chair nearby. Using it isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of wisdom. Hold on to it for support, or even perform these movements while seated. The golden rule is to listen to your body. There should never be pain, only a gentle stretch. Now, let's focus on our breath, our anchor in Tai Chi. We want to breathe deeply from the belly. Try a few now. A slow breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand, and a long, gentle breath out. Feel your shoulders relax and your body settle. This is the calm rhythm we'll maintain. Number 3. The warm-up, awakening the body. Let's begin. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly soft. If you're using a chair, sit tall at the edge of your seat. First, the neck. Slowly drop your chin to your chest for a light stretch. Return to center. Now, gently tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Back to center. And now, to the left. Return to center. Next, the shoulders. Inhale and lift your shoulders up toward your ears. Exhale, rolling them back and down. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathing in and out. Now for the spine. Place your hands on your hips. Keeping your hips facing forward, gently twist your upper body to the right. Come back to center, then twist to the left, return to center. Finally, wrists and ankles. Extend your arms and make gentle circles with your wrists, both ways. If you feel stable, lift your right foot, holding your chair if needed, and make gentle circles with your ankle. Now the other way. Repeat with your left foot. Your body is now awake and ready. Number 4. The core movements. Building your foundation. We're now ready for 3 foundational movements from the Yang style. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and use your chair for support whenever you need it. Our first movement is parting the wild horse's mane. This is for opening the chest and shifting weight. Start with feet shoulder width apart. Imagine holding a small ball in front of your belly, right hand on top. Shift your weight to your right leg, turning your waist slightly to the right. Step forward with your left foot, heel first. As you shift your weight forward, your left hand rises to shoulder height, palm in, as if parting a mane. Your right hand gently presses down by your hip. Gaze at your top hand, pause, and feel stable. To return, shift your weight back. Bring your left foot home, and your hands back to holding the ball. Now, try the other side. Our next movement is grasp the sparrow's tail for coordination and balance. From the same stance, bring your arms up as if embracing a large beach ball. Turn your body to the right from your waist, letting your arms follow. As you turn back to the front, your right arm floats outward, palm up. Your left hand rests near your right elbow. Now, turn the right palm over and draw it back toward you, as if pulling a silk thread. Finally, gently press both hands forward, then let your hands float down. Let's repeat on the left side. Our final movement is rooting for deep stability. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees soft. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. Feel that solid connection. Holding your chair, slowly shift all your weight onto your right foot. Feel that root strengthen as your left foot becomes light. Just lift the heel of your left foot. Hold for a breath, then place it down. Shift your weight back to center. Now, try the other side, shifting to your left foot and lifting your right heel. The goal isn't to lift high, but to feel the controlled shift and the strength in your standing leg. Number 5. The cool down. You have done wonderfully. Let's cool down and gather the energy we've cultivated. The cool down in Tai Chi is just as important as the movements. It's not about stopping abruptly, but about consciously storing the gentle energy, or Qi, that you've circulated through your body. This helps deepen the feelings of calm and rootedness. Return to your starting stance. We'll perform a movement called bringing the Kai to a close. Inhale as your arms float up in front of you to shoulder height, palms down. Exhale and gently press your palms down, letting your arms float back to your sides. Let's do this 2 more times, feeling calm and grounded. Now, let your hands rest on your lower abdomen, one over the other. This area is considered your body's center of gravity and energy. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Take a few quiet moments here. Notice any new sensations. Perhaps you feel a tingling warmth in your hands and feet, or your mind feels clearer than when you started. Feel the solid connection between your feet and the ground beneath you. Acknowledge the work you've done. You brought healing, stabilizing energy to yourself today. Take one final, deep breath in and out. This feeling of peace and inner strength is your new foundation. Carry it with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. I hope you feel more stable and confident. If you found this session helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more practices. Consistency is the key. Please share how this felt for you in the comments. Your story can inspire others. At the beginning of our time together, you pictured an activity you missed. Don't see it as a memory, see it as a destination. Today, you took the first step on that path. The opposite of fear isn't courage, it's freedom. Keep practicing, and you will not only find your balance, you will find your world again.